Preview our tour we have prepared for you. Tired of the city life? Try stretching your legs on this beautiful piece of property. It's 18.497 acres of green grass, a lovely home, and a 30x40 workshop, or a man cave, quilt barn, or whatever you choose. This home boasts 1,949 square feet with 3-bedroom and 2-bath. Washday blues are made easier in the bright and large laundry room. There is even a laundry line in the backyard to hang out your clothes if you choose. The huge wood-burning fireplace in the spacious family room will create an ambience that your family and friends will enjoy. The dining area is next to the kitchen. You can cook or bake while visiting with friends. The large patio and deck are a second entertaining spot in this home. The raised garden beds in the backyard are now producing vegetables. The orchard has peach, pear, nectarine, apple, fig, apricot, and plum trees. The greenhouse next to the metal workshop will be good for your plants during the cold months. This property is fully